Does managing your wireless projects feel overly complex, eating up valuable time you could invest more effectively? Just project configuration, design analysis, and final reporting can often take tens of hours to complete, impacting your productivity and the business ROI. But there's a better way. Meet iBwave Unity, our cloud-based solution that transforms your project workflows, management, and collaboration. Streamline project setup, save hours on every project, and boost returns with smart templates, checklists, and built-in workflow automation. Say goodbye to manual reporting. Automatically generate real-time, customizable reports with intelligent data and keep teams informed effortlessly. Plus, manage everything in one place with digital twins. Visualize your building model, track technologies and changes, and securely share version-controlled files. You can even report on individual projects or your entire portfolio at once, giving you complete visibility. With iBwave Unity, you can centralize and digitalize your project data while elevating each of your iBwave solutions. Whether surveying, designing, or managing, you can ensure your teams work smarter and deliver faster. Ready to transform how you manage wireless projects? Explore the power of iBwave Unity. iBwave Unity. Better workflows, better reporting, better wireless management with digital twins.